Alright, today we have another package that just came in, customer using our mail-in services. They sent us the dashboard and the ignition lock to a 2013 Ducati 848. Basically, they want us to make the keys from scratch. So we're going to make the keys to the lock, figure out what the cuts are, get a good working key that turns the ignition. And then we're going to go ahead and put chips into those keys. Then we're going to take those chips, program them into the cluster. So as soon as you get this thing back, you just plug it into the bike, hook up everything like normal, and start the bike right up. The bike won't know the difference because the keys will already be in memory and it will pass the anti-theft system check. So I'll come back in a little bit. Alright, we're back at the Ducati. Basically, we made the keys from scratch. Here's key number 1. You see the bolt coming in and out. Key number 2. Alright, and these keys are both programmed. Had to take a picture of my phone. This one here would be key number 1. It's in the system as number 1. And this one here is in the system as number 2. So if you ever wondered how I know if the keys are going to work and start your bike, and why I guarantee it, because I can check this. I can check in the system to see if the keys are in there. Which, if the keys are in there, that means the bike is programmed. It's ready to go. Now, for some reason, if your keys don't start, then you may want to look at the security light. If that goes out, then you know the key's programmed. Then you have to look at other issues on the bike. But other than that, this puppy's done. We're ready to ship it back to the customer, and that's about it. You need our help, go to the website www.acmlocksmithgroup. Keep in mind, we don't provide tech support, nor do we tell anybody how to fix their bikes. But if you need us to generate a lost key from scratch and do some pre-programming for you, that's fine. We can do that for you. Thank you. Again, the website www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thanks.